Hey guys, welcome to Living Survival. Today I want to show you guys a new tent that I picked up for winter camping, and really I'm going to use it pretty much all year round. It's the Scorpion 2 by Snugpak. So I have a few other Snugpak products. I just picked up a pack that I'm going to be reviewing as well, and I have one of their sill tarps as well, and I really like that. So we had a little bit of a break in the weather here in Michigan. We have about maybe 18 inches of snow on the ground or so that I shoveled out here. So we're going to get this set up, and we're supposed to get another few inches of snow. So I wanted to test it out in winter conditions, and I might even give it an overnight test as well. So let's get into it. Alright, so this is the Scorpion 2. They do make a Scorpion 3, which is a 3-person. This is the lighter weight 2-person, which I figured would be better for winter camping and lighter to pack in and out. Comes with this really nice stuff sack that you can cinch way down. Easily put this in your pack or on the outside of your pack. So let's take a look here at what we got. Alright, so we got some instructions there. So we got some nice stakes here. Looks like they give you a few extra. Really lightweight poles. This can't weigh much at all. I'll probably break this down actually and stuff it in my pack, but you could definitely use the the pack that it's in, and like I said, stuff it down into your pack or on the outside of your pack. And looks like we have the fly and then the interior section. And then it also comes with a repair kit, which is really nice. So in the repair kit here we got looks like just some material, a pole repair, some shot cord, and some extra paracord in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how easy this is to get set up. Alright, so now that we got the outside fly part set up, we can work on the inside. It's pretty easy to do. Just put the 2 green poles in the green sleeves and the gray pole in the gray sleeve. Now this fly has a polyurethane waterproof coating. As well as the floor of the inner part also has a polyurethane coating. Now you could just use it like that if you wanted a real lightweight option, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the inside in as well. And all the seams are taped and sealed as well. So what you basically have here is you have these loops on the inside, and you have this toggle on the tent. So basically all you do is you just work your way up from the back to the front and just put these toggles in the corresponding loop. So once the inner portion of the tent is all attached to the fly using these toggles, you just go around and click all these buckles in. So now that I got that part done, I'm just going to go around and throw some stakes in here. On the front here you have a great little vestibule for your pack and gear, and a great place to just pop out of your tent and make some coffee on your gas stove in the morning. Alright, so you can see on the inside here that it has mesh pockets pretty much all the way around, which is really nice for your gear. And it's got a polyurethane floor, and the fly is polyurethane, so it should stay nice and watertight. So there you have it for the Snugpak Scorpion 2. I think it's going to make a fantastic winter tent. Fantastic all-season tent. It's very, very easy to put up with the outer fly setup and then just attaching the inner part. Alright guys, so that's the Snugpak Scorpion 2. Really impressed with it so far. It was very easy to set up. All polyurethane coated, and hopefully have no problems with moisture or rain or snow. We're supposed to get a couple inches of snow tonight, so I wanted to get it up in time for that and really give it a good test. I'm a firm believer in testing your products out before you go out into the bush, so I'm just set up in my backyard here, and I'll possibly bring you guys an overnight test as well to see how warm this thing is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and subscribe for more videos.